students, we will go for one more example. The question is compare the ratios a1 by a2, comma b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Here you can say that the lines are, the given lines are intersect at a point and parallel or coincident. We have to say it's directly without drawing the graph. After comparing this one, you can say directly that we know the conditions also. Intersect at a point, parallel and coincident. Now the given equation is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. First equation. Second equation 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now compare the ratio. First compare with the general equation, general form. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is first one. Second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. First one compare with this. A1 is equal to what is answer? A1 is equal to 5. Next b1 is equal to what is? Minus 4. First a1 by b1 find out. A1 by a2 will find out. What is a2 value is given here? A2 is equal to 7 and b2 is equal to what is? 6. Now these two compare. A1 by a2. A1 by a2. What is a1 value is 5 by 7. Now come to the b1, b2. b1 by b2. What is b1 value directly given? Minus 4 and b2 value is 6. Cancel with 2 table, 2 2s are 2 3s are. What is answer? Minus 2 by 3. A1 by a2 value is 5 by 7 and b1 by b2 value is minus 2 by 3. Both are equal? No, both are not equal. Then what we have to write here? A1 by a2 does not equal b1 by b2. That means given values, what is here? 5 by 7 does not equal minus 2 by 3. If first two are not equal, we know what is it? First one condition only. Intersect at one point. Intersect at a point. If both are not equal this ratio, then directly intersect at the lines intersect at a point. Now come to the second one. Compare same again here. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second one a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. First write the values. What is a1 value? A1 is equal to 9 and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 12. Come to the second one. A2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 24. Okay. Now compare the ratio. What is here? A1 by a2 find out. A1 by a2 value. A1 is 9 by 18. 9 by 18. 9 ones, 9 twos. It's 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2. That is also again what is b1 value here? 3 by 6. 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. Here also 1 by 2. And last one c1 by c2. What is c1 value here? 12 and c2 is 24. 12 ones, 12 twos. Answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. All are equal. If all ratios are equal, we know condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. What are the values we got here? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Which condition is working in this? Here intersect at a point, first one, because first two are not equal. If all are equal, the lines are coincident. If all are equal, what is? The lines are coincident or coincide. Coincident or coincide. The lines both coincide like this. First line, again same line on the line L1 and L2. Here what are the lines here? The lines intersect at only one point. L1 and L2. Now children will go for the another comparison. The final is consistent or inconsistent. We have to prove it consistent or inconsistent equations. Compare the same ratio like before only a1 by a2, comma b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. We have to compare. After comparison we have to say it's a consistent or inconsistent. Only two are there. Okay, consistent or inconsistent. First compare given equations. What are the pair of linear equations given? 5x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Second one, 10x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the given equations. First compare with the general form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. First one. Second one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now a1 value what is here? 5. Then what is a2 value in this? 10. Second one, b1 value 3 and b2 value is 1. Here c1 value is minus 15 and c2 value is minus 3. Now compare the ratio a1 by a2. a1 by a2. What is here? 5 by 10. 5 ones, 2s. First one is 1 by 2. Second one, b1 by b2. b1 is 3 and b2 value is 1. What is answer finally? 3. First one is 1 by 2, second one is 3. Both are not equal. That means a1 by a2 does not equal b1 by b2. That is 1 by 2 does not equal to 3. If first two are not equal, then it is consistent directly. What is this one? Consistent. It has one solution. The pair of linear equations are consistent if both are not equal. Come to the second one. X plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y plus 15 is equal to 0. Then again he is asking consistent or inconsistent. Same way, compare first one. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1 value is 1 and a2 value is 2. Second one, b1 is equal to 1 again, b2 is 2. And last one, c1 is equal to minus 10 and c2 is equal to plus 15. Compare first one, a1 by a2. What is here? 1 by 2. Second one, b1 by b2. 1 by 2. And next last one, c1 by c2. That is minus 10 by 15. If cancel, 5 2s are 5 3s are. What is answer? Minus 2 by 3. Children observe, in this first two are equal. These two are equal and third one is not equal. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. That means what is here? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 does not equal to minus 2 by 3. What is the condition? First two are equal, then last one is not equal. Then it is called the inconsistent. There is no solution. What is this one? Inconsistent. This is inconsistent. Observe children here. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. It does not equal c1 by 2. That means it inconsistent. If first two are not equal, consistent. We'll go for the last example. 2x plus y is equal to 10. 4x plus 2y is equal to 20. That is given. Compare it. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. What is a1 value? 2. a1 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 4. Second one, b1 is equal to 1. b2 is equal to 2. And last one, c1 is equal to, if you take left side it is minus 10. Here also same. c2 is equal to minus 20, negative. Now compare the ratio. What is a1 by a2 first time? That is 2 by 4. 2 ones, 2s are. Answer is 1 by 2. First one. Second one, B1 by B2. What is answer? 1 by 2. And last one, C1 by C2. That is minus 10 by minus 20. Minus minus cancel, 10 ones are 10 twos are. Answer is what is? 1 by 2. All I think A1 by A2 1 by 2. B1 by B2 also 1 by 2. C1 by C2 also 1 by 2. All are equal. Therefore, what is here? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If solution is there, this one, all are equal is nothing but what is? Many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Many solutions means what is again here? It is consistent. If solution is there, consistent. Solution here also consistent. Two conditions for consistent. A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. One solution consistent. All are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That means also consistent. How many solutions here? Many solutions. Here only one solution or unique solution. If second one you observe here, A1 these two first two equal, second one is not equal. Constant is not equal. Then it is inconsistent. Inconsistent means the lines are parallel. If inconsistent, there is no solution. Here, no solution for this.